Hello guys! Today I will be walking you through this walking water rainbow experiment, which is very beautiful. So there's not too many materials you're going to need. You're going to need 8 glasses, paper towels, food coloring, and water, and of course some scissors just to cut the paper towels. So first we're going to start off by breaking a paper towel. We're then going to fold it in half, hamburger, so widthwise, using the shorter side. And we're going to cut that into 2 squares. So just try and cut that, doesn't need to be perfectly even. Now, once you've cut your paper, take one of the smaller rectangles and fold it in half again, short way, hamburger way, and then fold it in half again. So you get these nice little skinny rectangles, and just set that aside. And you want to repeat this process until you have 8 strips of paper towels that have been folded. So once you have your 8 strips, I like to lay them out because they were trying to unfold, which is not what we want. The next step is to move on to your glasses. So I put food coloring in each glass, 5 drops red, 5 drops yellow, 4 drops green, and 4 drops blue. Now remember, 5 red, 5 yellow, 4 green, 4 blue. I did this because the green and blue are a bit darker. Now we're going to add water to the glasses that have food coloring, so every other glass out of the 8. Make sure they're all filled up, almost to the top but not overflowing. Oh no, seems I've run out of water on my blue, but that's fine, I just grabbed a bit more. Now once these are full, here comes the fun part. So you're going to take one of the paper towels that you folded, and you want to fold it in half to make it pretty short. And what you're going to do is you're going to put 1/2 in your water and 1/2 in the empty glass right next to it. And you're going to repeat this for every single paper towel and every single glass out of the 8. So again, fold one side in one glass, one side in the other glass, until your paper towels are all in the glasses and it looks something like this. Now I know in the intro of this video, the glasses were in a line, but I chose to do it again in a circle. If you're doing it in a line, you can use 1 less glass, so 7, but you can experiment. And as you can see, it seems like the water's defying gravity. The water from the full glasses are going into the empty glasses. And this is due to something called capillary action, which is the same way that trees are able to suck up water through their trunks. But either way, it does make for a beautiful rainbow with pretty easy materials. And I hope you enjoy and have fun trying this experiment out at home.